Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and I especially welcome you to this tutorial on the best currency strength indicator for MT4 and MT5. All right, so if you have ever struggled to figure out which currency pairs are worth trading, this indicator will make things a lot clearer. All right. So let us start with what a currency strength indicator does. Okay. Now, in simple terms, a currency strength indicator measures the relative strength of different currencies against each other. All right. So instead of looking at just one pair, it analyzes multiple pairs at once to show you which currencies are the strongest and which are the weakest at any given time. All right. So for example, if maybe the US dollar is showing strong upward momentum and maybe the Canadian dollar is showing weakness, then USD JPY could be a strong pair to focus on. So the indicator makes this process easier by showing the information visually, often in the form of a meter, line chart or histogram. All right, so we want to download a currency strength indicator, and then of course we're going to be just briefly looking at how to make use of it on our MT4 or MT5. All right. Okay, so let us download this. You can see it's also available for MT5. So whether you are using MT4 or MT5, just download the one that is for the platform you are using, okay? All right. So I guess I'm going to be opening my MT4 because I'm downloading the one for MT4. Okay. So it has downloaded. We're going to go straight to it. Okay, so now this might not necessarily be the best for every trade. Remember that, everyone have their preferences when it comes to indicators, right? So what might be the best indicator for somebody might not be the best indicator for another person. All right. So let's just say this is a nice, currency strength indicator that you can consider using. All right. So we're going to go to the data folder and we're going to paste the indicator file in there. Okay. MQL4 indicators, and we're going to paste it in here. All right. Okay, it seems like I already have it. Okay, let's just replace. Now, just a quick, run through. In order for you to make use of the currency strength indicator, whether it's MT4 or MT5 version, you have to first of all download the indicator file from a trusted source. Okay. Once you have it, you open your MetaTrader platform. In MT4, you go to File, you go to Data folder, open Data folder, place the indicator in the Indicators folder. Then you can decide to restart your platform. Okay? You can decide to restart your platform so that the indicator is going to show up. Or you can decide to just come and refresh, your navigator. Okay? So in MT5, the process is very similar. You copy the file into the MQL5 indicators folder and you refresh. All right. So once installed, you drag the indicator onto your chart. Okay. you immediately see a display that shows, the strength of different currencies. All right. Okay. So you can see the settings, the inputs, you can actually modify it according to your taste. So some indicators may show this as a list with percentages, while others may show, maybe lines moving across the chart or whatever. However, the method the indicator uses, or rather, whatever the method the indicator uses, the main thing is for you to be able to, understand and interpret it, right? So you look at which currencies are the strongest and which are the weakest. So here you can see that we have USD, we have Euro, we have GBP, CHF, CAD, AUD, NZD, JPY. Although it's quite, the font is quite small. Yeah, I think this is one of the limitations with this. Corner position. Okay. Okay, so basically you look at the strength of each of those currency pairs. You look at the strength of each of those currency pairs, and once you have done that, you want to trade the weak pair against the strong pair. So if you notice that JPY is strong, for example, and maybe USD is weak, what does that mean? USD JPY would likely sell, right? So once you get idea from here, you look for a currency pair to trade that fits into that strength and weakness idea that you got from here. Okay, using different time frames gives you a bigger picture and more confidence in your decisions. So now, currency strength indicators are not meant to be used in isolation. It's actually best to combine them with your own analysis. For instance, use support and resistance levels, trend lines, or other indicators, as a filter that points you in the right direction. So maybe you want to trade a particular currency pair, and then you see that the base currency is strong, and maybe the quote currency is weak. For example, okay, let's assume now that USD, okay, let's see, USD is showing some level of weakness here actually. Okay, how about GBP? Okay, I think GBP is quite strong. So you can see now GBP is strong, USD weak. So you are expecting an upward move, right? So you should also use your trend lines, you should be looking for buy opportunities on the GBP USD pair. Since GBP is strong and USD is weak, look for buy opportunities. Plot your trend lines. Use your horizontal and support resistance. Use your horizontal support and resistance zones. Look for good opportunities and enter the market. So this is going to be just, a supporting factor to your analysis, to your technical analysis. You don't rely on this alone. Okay, still combine some technical analysis. All right. So think of the currency strength indicator as a filter that points you in the right direction. One key tip is to avoid overcomplicating things. The indicator is designed to make your trading easier, not harder. So focus on the main takeaway, which currencies are strong, which are weak. Those are the main things you want to look at. And where the biggest differences lie, those are usually the best pairs to trade. By now, you've seen how the currency strength indicator works, how to install it, and how to use it in your daily trading. It's a powerful tool that can save time and help you focus on the right opportunities. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to click the like button and subscribe for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials, Forex tools, and step-by-step trading guides. That way, you'll always be learning new ways to improve your trading approach. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.